Nanocere oxide, the end quote, almighty assistant end quote, hidden behind high tech. You may not have heard the name end quote, nanocerium oxide end quote, but it has long been quietly infiltrated into all aspects of our lives. This amazing material is like the end quote, Transformers end quote, in science fiction movies. With its nanoscale size and unique physical and chemical properties, it has shown its skills in environmental protection, energy, medical treatment, electronics, and other fields. Today, let and Oppos unveil the mystery of this end quote, hero behind the scenes end quote, and see how powerful it really is. 1. The end quote, invisible guard end quote, of clean air, purifying exhaust and industrial exhaust gases. Automobile exhaust gases and exhaust gases emitted from factory chimneys are one of the end quote, culprits end quote, of urban pollution. And nanocerium oxide is like a hard-working end quote, cleaner end quote, playing a key role in the catalyst. For example, Toyota and Oppos three-way catalyst adds nanocerium oxide. It acts like a end quote, small sponge end quote, to adsorb harmful substances such as nitrogen oxides, carbon monoxide, in the exhaust gas, and quickly converts them into harmless nitrogen and water vapor at low temperatures. With it, exhaust pollution is reduced by 50% when the car is cold started, making our streets cleaner. Not only that, but also the waste gas treatment equipment of chemical parks and printing plants. The nanocerium oxide catalytic technology developed by BASF in Germany can enable harmful gases such as benzene and toluene to end quote, burn out end quote, at a lower temperature, which is both energy saving and environmentally friendly. It and Oppos like putting on a end quote, gas mask end quote, for a factory, and Don and Oppos want to escape from harmful exhaust gases. 2. The end quote, super helper end quote, of new energy, making energy conversion more efficient in the field of energy. Nanocerium oxide can be called a end quote, pioneer of technological innovation end quote. Solid oxide fuel cells (SOFCs) are a highly efficient power generation technology, but traditional materials require high temperatures above 1000 degrees Celsius to work, which is extremely costly. The American company Bloom Energy uses nanocerium oxide to improve the electrolyte, which reduces the temperature to 650 to 800 degrees Celsius, and the power generation efficiency exceeds 60%. Now, Google and Oppos data centers rely on this kind of battery to save electricity and reduce emissions, which can be called a end quote, green power generation artifact end quote. Solar power also has its credits. Oxford Photovoltaics and Oppos inclusion of nanocerium oxide in perovskite solar cells is like a end quote, light energy courier end quote, to the battery, helping electrons flow more smoothly, and the photoelectric conversion efficiency soars from 19% to 25.2%. This means that in the future, our solar panels may be thinner, more powerful, and work efficiently even on cloudy days.